So today's video is all about learning HTML attributes. Now, you're probably wondering what an attribute is and how do we even use that? So, a fun fact is we already used attributes in our previous videos when we were learning how to upload images and videos. So, attributes I sort of like to think of is what they basically do is they just provide more information of your actual HTML element. So, do you remember how we described this whole entire line selected in element? So that's basically an attribute gives more information about. So also I think about it as an adjective. So let's take the sentence, the boy ran over the hill. So that's a pretty basic sentence. But if we add in the fast boy ran over the hill, we kind of get some more information like, okay, is the boy slow? Is he fast? So think of the word fast when it's describing the boy as the word attribute when it's describing the HTML element. So over here we have src, which is basically our source attribute. What this means is it just gives us a little more information about the image, such as actually showing us where the image is. Similar with this height and width attributes, they just sort of change the shape and how it looks. Same with the image right here, source, H shows you the location of it with the width and the height. Now a fun thing about this is our new attribute we haven't used before. It's called an alternative. So let's say I have this link so far, which shows this gorgeous picture of cookies. But let's say, what if I did this wrong? What if actually the URL is all wrong and it looks like this? Now, right now we see, if I go on new tab, we see that over here it clicked cookies are great. But how come before it was cookies are great, but over here it doesn't show anything? Well, what this attribute shows is if, let's say, this URL goes wrong or there's like just a miss semicolon, there's like a couple words took off, then as an alternative, it will show this instead, which is why you see cookies are great instead of the image of the cookies. Attributes are a great way of adding more information and it definitely can help make our website more engaging.